From the factory, all of the Superflow units are shipped with the Economy Comfort mode activated. To change this mode to on-demand only or 24-hour block operation, press and release the center button above the tap, push and release your water tap symbol, push and release it again, and at this point we can scroll through Economy Comfort, turn it on 24 hours a day, or turn the unit off so it's an on-demand only operation, DHW. At this point in time, to lock this in, we press and release the return button and lock that value in. Again, simple and easy to change by pressing and releasing the center button, press and release the water tap symbol, press and release again to turn this mode on or off into any of the three modes described in the manual. Press and release the return button, P for programming appears.